So hey guys, this is 𝗟𝗚𝗏𝗘, and welcome back in another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost your FPS in Apex Legends. And in this video I'm going to show you a very simple steps. Hopefully it will work for you guys. So watch full video carefully. And don't miss any steps and details. And before moving further, most importantly, make sure to create a restore point. So if you will do any mistake in the steps, you can restore your PC back to your old settings. So for that, first go to Start menu. Then search Create a Restore Point. Click here. Then choose C drive, make sure its protection is on. Then click on Create button. Type any name. Hit Create. And it will take few seconds. And it's done. For our second step, make sure to check that you have everything updated, your Windows and your graphic drivers. Make sure they both have latest drivers. For Windows you can check in Windows Update. And for graphic driver you can check in NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So, for our third method, open your Steam. Go to Apex Legends. Then, right-click on it. Go to Properties. Then, go to Local Files. Click on Browse. Find R5 Apex. Right-click on it. Properties. Then, go to Compatibility Mode. Then, check Disable Full Screen Optimization. But if you are feeling lag in your game, just turn this off. It kinda depends on your PC. Okay, after this, hit Apply. For our fourth step, go to Start menu. Open Settings. Then go to Display Settings. After this, scroll down and open Graphics Settings and turn on this hardware acceleration. After this, you have to restart your PC, but we'll do it later. Now come down and here click on Browse. Go to Apex File Location. Then, select this R5 Apex. Then change it to High Performance. And click OK. For our fifth step, come back in your settings. Then, go to Gaming. And turn off Xbox Game Bar. Also, turn off Capture. After this, turn on Game Mode. This will help you while gaming. And close these settings. So, for our sixth step, go to Start menu. Search Mouse Settings. Then open it. Then, go to the additional mouse option. Then pointer option. And select pointer speed to 6 points. And close this. After this, go to Start menu and search Keyboard Properties. Then open it. Make repeat delay short. And repeat rate fast. Then just apply this and close this. For our seventh step, again go to your settings. And search Background Apps. Open it. Then turn this off. Or you can turn off unnecessary apps. It will help you a lot. After this, close this settings. Now for our eighth step, open your Task Manager. Go to Startup. And disable all the unwanted apps. For your startup, it will help your PC whenever you boot it. And close this. For our ninth step, search this PC in your Start menu. And then right-click on it. Go to Properties. Then go to Notifications and Actions. And uncheck this last one, Tips, Tricks and Suggestions. It will also be helpful for your PC. You can also turn off this notification if you don't use this. It depends on your need. And just close this also. Okay, now we are on our 10th step. So, just hit Windows key plus R button. And type %10% in a run. And enter. And delete all the files inside this folder. This will boost your PC performance. Okay, now you can close this. Okay, now we are on our 11th step. Open this PC. Then right-click inside this PC. Go to Properties. Then go to Advanced System Settings. Then Advanced Performance. Open its settings. And choose to adjust for best performance. Hit Apply and close. So, for our 12th step, search Services in the Start menu. Then scroll down or just type W. and find Windows Update. Then right-click on it. First, stop it, then disable it and hit apply. After this, if your PC freezing or lagging, then try this. Type S and find sysmain. First stop this, and then choose disable. Hit apply. If it makes your PC more unstable, depend on your PC, you can turn it on. Just use automatic, it will start working again. Okay, now you can close this. So now our 13th and one of the important step. Go to Start menu. Right-click on it. Then go to PowerShell. Run it as administrator. After this, copy-paste this command, and press enter. You will get it in my description, and in my pack. And after successfully done, close PowerShell. After this, go to Power option. Open it, and change your power option from balanced to ultimate. And now close this. Okay, now we are on the 14th step. Open your Google Chrome. Open its settings. Go to Advanced Settings, then System, and turn off background run and hardware acceleration. And close this Chrome. Now if you have Discord in your PC, do the same thing in Discord also. Turn off hardware acceleration. Now let's fix Steam settings and its hardware acceleration. Open your Steam. Go to Settings. Then Interface. Then uncheck GPU acceleration in Web Views. You can copy as mine also. Then go to Library and Settings. And check this. Low bandwidth mode and low performance mode. After this, minimize it for later. Okay, now let's see my Apex FPS Boost Pack. The most important part of the video. So, this pack link in my description. Just go and download this. So, in this pack, we have our config file, Autoexec, NVIDIA settings, ultimate power plan, and some reg and DLL. Just follow me. So, for NVIDIA settings, you can copy-paste my settings from my screenshots. It will be easy for you guys. Now our 16th step. Open my FPS Boost Pack. Choose config file as your need. And copy it. Then go to Start menu and search %users%. Then open your PC name folder. Go to Saved Games. Respawn. Apex. Local. Open video config file. And paste my config here. Then save it and close it. Then right-click on the video config file, Properties, and check Read Only, and hit Apply and close it. Okay, our config file is done. Now Autoexec. Open my pack folder. Then open Autoexec. Rename it to Autoexec. And copy it. You can choose any of them and let's see which one will work for you. Oh, after this, go to the Apex file location. Then open CFG folder. Then paste your Autoexec here. And then open the client folder. And again paste your Autoexec here. Now our Autoexec is also done here. Okay, now 17th step. Open my folder. Go to Reg and DLL folder. First, follow me what I'm doing. Second, you can leave full screen because I think this will not work in every PC. So, you can run the rest of them. Now after doing this, just copy this DLL, and paste this DLL to Apex Files folder. After this, our final step, 18th. Open my folder, then open commands. You can change few settings as your components. Then copy these commands. And then open your Steam or Origin. Go to Apex Legends. Right-click on it. Properties, and paste your commands here. And we are done here. Just close everything and make sure to restart your PC. And check everything is working fine. If any problem occurring in your PC, we can check it and fix it. If you are not able to fix it, you can restore your PC simple. And it's done. Now enjoy your game. So guys, if this video helped you, you can tell me your experience in the comment section. And if you have any problem, you can ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video. and share it with friends, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. So now I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Peace.